Happy Republic Day. If my mom was alive, today would have been her 67th birthday. And so, actually, right now I'm rushing to my sister's house because we are going to this, generally, we always visit some spiritual place. Even this Pondicherry trip was because Jan 26th, that is today, is my mom's birthday, and Pondicherry was the most favorite place for her, like on the planet. So that's what right now, since morning I've been up since 3 in the morning, literally, and in between I slept for some 1 or 2 hours. But these kittens were like mewing incessantly. Yeah, so it is so difficult. See, right now they are hidden beneath that. Basically, that's yesterday what I was wearing. So, they get that scent of the. They feel I'm the mother, right? So, but yeah, it's so difficult, yeah, to look after them. In fact, there's that black little one. Its eyes have not yet opened. So it's like if anybody is kind enough to, if, in case they want that little black kitten, because she's very cute, but she's like, you need to give her the complete attention. You can't do any other thing, which is, that's how babies are, right? So yeah, but in case anybody is interested in adopting one kitten, do let me know. But yeah, there's this page on Instagram called HPA Cats. So even they have this formal page where they write about foster appeals. So this is like a really super cute kitten. So it's already crossed a 1 minute video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.